Hello, Claire here, and I am going to share with you a short meditation. You don't need any experience to practice this meditation, and you don't need to be wearing any special clothes. You don't need to be sitting in a particular way. In fact, you don't need to have done anything before. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the ground, you can sit on a stool, sit in any way that's comfortable for you. Sometimes it's helpful to stretch a little, to ease out a little before we begin to sit. So I'm going to do a couple of stretches now. You can join in if you think it would be helpful. I'm interlacing my fingers, turning my palms away, and then reaching my arms up. And as I press the palms up towards the sky, I'm going to ease from side to side to stretch out the sides of my body a little. And then I'm going to do that again by interlacing the fingers the other way round, so other little finger on the bottom. And again, stretching up and then easing from side to side, feeling into the side body. And then we can begin. So you can rest your hands either onto your knees, your thighs, or the arms of the chair. See how much you can relax your shoulders and see if you can bring the chin to a place where it's just more or less level. You can notice that you are breathing. And if you'd like to, you can close your eyes, but you don't have to. You could simply soften the gaze by looking down. And as you bring your attention to your breathing, you can feel the movement of the breath. Sometimes this doesn't feel easy. And that's okay. We're going to use a meditation technique to perhaps make it feel a little bit easier. When you're ready, you can turn your palms up, and as you breathe in, raise the hands. You can raise them a little or a lot, as much as feels right to you, and then as you breathe out, you can float your hands back down. As you breathe in, floating the hands up. As you breathe out, floating the hands down. You can be doing this with your eyes open or closed. If the eyes are open, you can perhaps see the hands moving in the periphery of your vision. If the eyes are closed, although you can't actually see your hands moving, you might be able to visualize them moving, to see them in your mind's eye. And the movement of the hands is perhaps helping us to tune into the movement of the breath. Anytime you want to, you can rest the hands back down and continue to focus on the rhythm of the breath. if you think it might be helpful to begin to use the hands again. You know you can. Using the hands to help you stay attuned to your breathing. And then when you're happy to, you can rest the hands down again. Notice how you feel. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Well done.